Vamos a hablar un poco de herramental farmacéutico con Abhijit Singhania. Abhijit, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Mario. How are you?
Doing well, just very happy to reach the end of the show now in ExpoPack 2026. So tell me a little bit, why is so important big quality in pharmaceutical tooling?
Okay, in pharmaceuticals, there are the new developments in formulation. They are demanding to fight problems like sticking, picking, and compression force.
Okay.
So, with even small tablets, the formulation demands high pressure. So, we have special steels which can handle that high pressure.
What happens if your steel are not in the quality that you require? It's broken?
Yes, it cannot withstand the pressure. It will break. It will get abrasion or it may get corrosion.
Okay.
So we try to have the right steel for the right formulation. But that is one part. The main part is still the design of tablets. For example, if you know that your tablet is this formulation is going to demand high pressure, we can design the tablet in such a way that the punch capacity to withstand pressure will automatically be higher.
Okay, so let me think in this way. There is a couple of highways here. One is I'm in the developing scenario, and then I come to you and I said, well, we are thinking on this, and you can help me in the size and in the shape.
In the design stage.
Okay?
Yes.
And the other is I already have a product,
Yes.
and I required new set of punches and dies.
Yes.
And you can help me in both sides?
Yes, of course. These both can be handled very well. But if we go with a good design, then automatically the problems in scale up are very little.
Okay, so the most important thing is the designing of the tablets.
Yes. But despite having a good design, sometimes the formulation have characteristics to stick.
Yes, for example.
So there are now, with evolving engineering, we have at least 10 types of coatings. These coatings can reduce the sticking to drastically low.
And how you choose this coating?
We mainly go by the problem areas. We would request a customer to show us the defective tablets. We identify the defective zones and then we offer them the coatings.
Okay. All of course under FDA requirements.
Yes, all of it.
And how many types of steel you have?
We would have about 15 types of steels, and over that we can have around 12 types of coatings.
Okay, and then how you handle this situation in an existing product?
Okay, in existing product, for example, I give you a latest case study with an Indian customer. So they were facing the problem of tool life to be very short. So they approached us with their problem. We analyzed their problems from all the sides, from the formulation, from their existing tooling, from their tablet design, and then we gave them a suggestion.
So probably you require a tool for me, so you can see the type of steel that I am using.
Not just the steel, but I mainly want to see the wear pattern.
Okay.
How it gets worn out.
Okay. How you have seen the design of tablets in Latin America? Do we make corrected or
No? It is quite good designs in Latin America. The designs are good. They are not unnecessarily complicated. But sometimes what we feel is the engraving style. That needs a lot of improvement. Sometimes for some alphabets, they invite sticking problem. So those alphabets have to be given due importance and the design can be a little modified to avoid that problem.
Okay, so still a lot of involved to can give information to the customer. So you not only sell a product, you also sell a product plus the technical advisory.
That's the strong point.
And how is that you learn so much about solid tableting, solid dosage forms?
Well, it's a family business, so I mean,
you've been around for several years.
For several years, and also that we have done engineering, and after studying engineering, the application has been into pharmaceutical. So with this combination, we are able to give a strong solution.
You think the Indian market is well market with a lot of technical resources because its size and its forms?
Yes. The Indian pharmaceutical market is one of the biggest in the world. So if the pharmaceutical market is big, the supporting industry has to be big.
Okay.
So in India, the pharmaceutical engineering market is also very big.
Okay.
So these resources have got developed because of the volumes.
So you have to be quite experienced to survive in this complex market.
Yes.
And that gives you advantages to show in our pharmaceutical Latin American markets.
Yes. And the people here in Latin America, even they are technically strong. So whatever ideas we propose them, they understand it very quickly.
Wow. Well, thank you for this conversation, my dear Abhijit. Pleasure to see you.
Same here.
Nos vemos la próxima.